Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
The nearest star. I'll give you guys a couple of minutes on this. Again, an official question. This can be done in multiple ways. Earth to the nearest star is how much? 4 into 10 raised to the power of 13 kilometers. And Earth to moon is how much? 380,000 kilometers. Right? Now the question says distance from Earth to moon is represented by 1 centimeter. Earth to moon, how much is the actual distance? Very nice. 380,000 kilometer is represented by 1 centimeter. Now, can you tell me, notice this is what the question is asking, right? Uh, how about from Earth to the nearest star? Tell me what is the actual distance? How much? Very nice. 4 into 10 to the power 13 kilometers is the actual distance. How much will this be reduced to? Right? If 380,000 is reduced to 1 centimeter, how much will this be reduced to at the same rate? Now, incidentally, okay, I'll let you do this. These many kilometers are represented by 1 centimeter. So these many kilometers will be represented by x centimeters. Is the equation clear? So from this, right? So these many, I think I should write the figures also, right? This is kilometer, this is centimeter. Again, this is kilometers, this is centimeter, correct? So from this, obviously, you can find out the value of x. And what is the value of x? By cross multiplication, 4 into 10 to the power of 13 divided by 380,000. Correct? Now, you need to read the question carefully, by the way. What does the question say? Which of the following is closest to the scaled down distance? Now, notice it's not asking us in centimeters, it's asking us in kilometers. So obviously x is in centimeters, right? So this is obviously in centimeters, but then as per the question, we have to convert it in kilometers. All right. Now, how do you convert it in kilometers? How do you convert it in kilometers? How do you convert centimeter into kilometers? How do you convert centimeter into kilometers? Remember, you don't need to remember the formula at all. There's no formula for this. 1 kilometer has how many meters? 1,000, right? 1 kilometer has 1,000 meters, correct? And 1 meter has how many centimeters? 100, right? So this would be 1,000 meters into 100, right? That's the centimeter, correct? So which would be what? 10 to the power 5 centimeters, right? So basically 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the power 5 centimeters, right? So which means if this is not very evident, 1 kilometer is 10 to the power 5 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is how many kilometers? So 1 centimeter would be how many kilometers? 1 divided by 10 to the power 5 kilometers. Guys, are we clear? Right? So 1 centimeter is these many kilometers. We are asking how many how many kilometers are these centimeters. Correct? So then obviously what do we do? 4 into 10 to the power of 13 divided by 380,000 into 10 to the power of 5. These many kilometers. Is it making sense, guys? So now let's just simplify this a bit. Let's just simplify this a bit. Keeping an eye, keeping an eye on the 5 answer choices. So this would be how much, guys? This would be how much? This would be 4 into 10 to the power of 13 divided by what we can do is, notice since we have 4 here, so what I do is convert this 3.8 into 10 to the power of how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? 3.8 into 10 to the power of 5 into 10 to the power of 5. See, 380,000 is 3.8 into 10 to the power 5, and we already have 10 to the power 5 here. Correct? So that would be 4 into 10 to the power of 13 divided by 3.8 into 10 to the power of 10. Right? So now notice this is where the given answer choices come into picture. 4 upon 3.8 is roughly 1. 4 upon 3.8 is roughly 1 because you don't have to be very accurate here, right? So this is roughly 1 into 10 to the power of how much? 10 to the power 3, right? 10 to the power 13 divided by 10 to the power 10 is nothing but 10 to the power of 13 minus 10, which is 10 to the power of 3, which is 1000. So that's the answer, 1000 kilometers, right? So approximately 1000. So since it's 4 divided by 3.8, it will be slightly more than 1000. But you don't need to calculate that because notice the kind of difference that we have between successive options, right? And anyway, it says you have to find out the closest answer. So for that reason, I took the liberty to convert 4 upon 3.8 to roughly 1. So 1000 kilometers is the answer. Right? So I'm converting basically again centimeters to kilometer by dividing by 10 to the power of 5, as we already discussed. So approximately equal to 1000 kilometers. Any doubt, guys, on this? Again, this is an official question, so something you can definitely expect. So again, reiterating, as per the question, 380,000 kilometers has been scaled down to 1 centimeter. So how much would 4 into 10 to the power of 13 kilometers be scaled down to? Now, this is in terms of centimeter. We are just converting it to kilometers because that's what the question expects. So again, approach it on a piece by piece basis. Everyone would know that 1 kilometers is equal to 1000 meters. And from that, since again, I'm hoping everyone would know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So then you just convert 1000 meters into these many centimeters. So that's how we do the conversion between kilometers and centimeters. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the power of 5 centimeters. And so we divide this by 10 to the power of 5. Any doubt, guys? Okay.